Like me, man.
Are you Zorkiko, I
What
don't
are
know how
you
I
saying,
forgot how you
man?
pronounce it.
Man, what are you talking about, man? Ryan,
Guys,
what are
I
you
am
doing?
identifying as they/them.
Ryan, what are you doing?
I'm trying to do the last
I
achievement
need
on
to
here.
Dylan,
fart so bad. I
It's
think
so
I'm
hard
gonna
though.
have the
What are you
runny
doing?
shits later.
You have to beat the Phantom with the game audio set to 0.
it's like
That
AVG
sounds evil.
Inception.
Yes.
Were you in like the FNAF
I
2
love,
location?
I love the intro song. It's like 10 out of 10.
He's going to take you back to the past to play these
And
shitty games that sucked ass.
he'd rather have a
Me
buffalo
and my
take a
brother
dump,
sang that around my cousins. It was funny.
take a dairy dump in his ear. He'd rather have eat their
Speaking of
own ass
diarrhea
off.
dump, I'm gonna have runny shits in a few minutes.
He'd rather eat their own asshole of a
Oh.
roadkill
Well,
skunk
that's
and
seven
down
red.
it with beer.
He has children as well, I think.
Yeah, he has a daughter.
Ryan, I think you're fucked.
Oh, I saw the device.
I've
His
got
daughter's
you.
lucky as shit because look at his room. It's just filled with games.
Yeah,
Is it true?
I think
He
his
has
daughter's like
every
10 now.
game console.
Oh, that's the cast of Gundam.
Well, every Nintendo game console. I think he has an he has an Xbox as well. Oh, I want to play Earthbound, but I'm tired as shit.
I mean, Earthbound is a pretty relaxing game, probably, because it's an RPG.
I could walk around just XP grind for a bit. That would be pretty helpful. Because I need to level up peak anyway.
Yeah, I think that would be the thankful thing to do.
Dylan, did you like the image I sent earlier?
Which one?
The one with Mario and Luigi in it.
Yes.
Hey, you came with Peak. You deserve a present, playboy. It's just Mario and Luigi. Such a retarded image as well.
Wow, man.
Angry video game nerd looks like Soy Jack Markiplier.
What?
Angry video game nerd looks like Soy Jack Markiplier.
No.
Or just as Soy Jack.
Yeah, I was
He
just
looks
gonna
like
say,
a
like, he
Soy
looks like
Jack
Soy
waiting to
Jack.
happen.
He's
Marcus.
He is the Soy Jack.
AVGN. Wait,
Is my camera working?
Hi, Dylan.
Hi.
Gas leaks.
Colin, who is
Look.
this?
Who's who? What the fuck is
Who
this
is-
bitch doing here?
Who is this?
Who invited this nigga Aubrey?
Who is this, Carl?
It's Aubrey.
Really?
Who are these
Wow.
fellas? Who the fuck is this? Who the fuck is this?
I don't remember her being
What
in
the
Amori.
fuck? Who are these people?
I don't remember these characters being in Amori.
I think
What, you don't
they're
remember Natsuki
Chinese
being an
people.
Amori?
No, I don't remember
Do
Monica
not
being
know
in Amori
the
either.
hidden Easter egg.
You're an Easter egg.
Fuck off,
It's so
Colin.
over, Ryan. It's so over.
Dude, I need one more Soy Jack gem, please.
I know.
Big Chungus.
You need a Soyjack gem account.
Yesterday I laughed for like 10 minutes.
Let me view the
because
Soy
someone
Jack,
called-
please.
Someone else called someone
r/the
a Big
Cinemassacre
Chungus.
Truth.
That was such
Oh,
a good
no.
run, too.
You were so close.
Ugh.
Is there a subreddit about bullying angry video game nerd?
What did he do?
Can
Oh,
someone play like funny music on the music bot so this is less like
I
boring?
think it's because he got children and Reddit didn't like that or something.
no, this is a fan subreddit, I think.
They're like mad because he got a child and a wife or whatever, and they didn't.
Is it not? Is it just a fan Reddit?
Dylan, peeps the
What?
chat.
I am peeping the chat at this very moment.
Oh, Dylan, look, it's Peter Griffin. This is like, you know how Reddit has like a picture under the rules or something.
Reddit has Big Chungus against the rules.
No, a picture.
A picture of the rules.
Like, there, you can put a picture under the rules section.
Yeah.
Hey Dylan.
It looks so stupid, like it's so out of place.
Hey
It's funny.
Dylan.
Yeah.
Bwam 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 bwam. Do 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 do. Bwam 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 bwam.
It's not the same when you do it.
Yeah, it's less. It makes it less funny actually.
I don't care, man.
Wait, can you put that on the music bot so this is less boring?
I don't know. I don't have the file for it.
I don't
That's
have
it.
Sweetheart bot online, Marcus. Where is Mosquito?
Hang on. Music bot welcomes you.
Is this where you died last time, sad face? So it's like left at the TV is where your thing is.
It's on. It's on.
It's where the TV is facing.
Well,
Oh.
that's lucky.
Not anymore!
Okay, where are the last ones? God, I left
Download.
one on this side of the map, really?
Marcus.
Oh, no I didn't. Wait, no I did! It's so far over!
Funny. Funny.
Don't tell me this was blocking the door. No? Where is it then?
Alright.
Oh,
What are you looking for?
left a
found the
gem,
soy jack.
like really far over here. Yeah. Okay, there's actually multiple.
Yay!
Did you look in this thread with sounds that I put in?
I had it downloaded from the thread already.
I made a thread for random sound files in case you guys got angry at me for flooding the chat.
It's understandable.
But it's handy anyway because it's all in one place.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, it would kind of be pointless when the chat because they just get lost.
I think it was a smart move to put down the device there.
Kieran talks about plagiarism scandal. That's creature.
Who's Kieran?
I don't know. Just.
I used to know a guy called
Kieran
Kieran.
Fives.
I used to know a guy called Kieran.
Oh, go,
His
go, go.
name was Kieran Power.
Back.
Kieran Power.
Yeah. He did not run out of power. Running is not advisable.
Where's the last one?
Big
Are
Ryan.
you serious?
Ryan, I wouldn't recommend running, but whatever.
Yeah, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
Get the hell out of there, dog.
Yeah,
Dylan
baby,
said
tonight!
it was uncanny.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
Okay, sweetheart.
Yeah! Yeah, I got all achievements. Woo-hoo-hoo! Alright. That was a very good game. I am glad I got the 100% bit.